really is quite balanced out on the highway at 65 miles an hour. My ZJ would be all over the place right now. And this thing, it just tracks down the road so well. It does a really good job of holding the road. With being such a large piece of equipment. You definitely don't get a Jeep worried about fuel. It is a 21-gallon fuel tank. You're going to be fueling up a lot. This dual top group is the fact that you don't have to source out this soft top. That's enormous for us. One thing that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes inside of this one enormous box.